In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to upload public audios to Roblox. First, we'll be using the Roblox on our browser. Log into your account, and once logged in, then click on the Create button above to go to the Creator Hub of Roblox. In this page, click on the Creations option on the left side part. Next, click Development Items, and under it, click the Audio option to open it. In here, you can simply click on the Upload Asset button, and then next, click the Upload button and navigate to the audio that you want to upload. For now, let's just select this one right here. Then click Open button. Next, rename the audio file to your liking, and you can also put a description if you want. After doing all of that, then click the Upload button below to proceed. After uploading the asset, then you'll see all the assets here. Click on the uploaded asset that you have, and in the Configure page, you can make some adjustments to your liking, such as adjusting the permissions. You can give permissions to your friends under the creators. You can also give access permissions to your groups. You can adjust these settings however you like, and after that, click the Save Changes button below. That's about it.